Isira, I'm just looking at your planet Cat 4. So you've chosen to do Mars, which is really good. Look, you've done most of it quite well. So overall, I've given you 19 out of 32, so that's 59%. There was just a little bit of improvement for most of the sections. That's what is all, but it adds up to quite a few points lost overall. But I was quite happy with it. Where Mars is in the solar system, that's a terrible picture. You need to pick something better than that. That's a much better picture. So thank you for that information. The seasonal conditions. Um, we have 4 seasons. Mars has 6, so there's 2 additional seasons that Mars has that you didn't mention. Renewable resources. I like the way that you've outlined this information here, actually itemising each of the ways in which we can use the resources to our benefit. Hang on, that's my phone going. I'm just going to message that person to talk to me later. So evidence of water on Mars. Yes, water on the polar caps. I like the information that you've given to me, so I was happy with that. Comparing Earth and Mars, you need to have the pros and cons, not just some general information. So I've included this information as part of the first thing you needed to do, which was a planetary description. So you got an extra point there. But you haven't done the pros and cons, like what are the good things about Mars and what are the bad things about Mars of it being a possible place to inhabit. And then right at the end, you have spoken about what needs to be done to make it habitable, and that was quite good information. So thank you for including that. 3 references. I'm surprised you got so much information from just 3 places. So I hope you included them all, and if not, please do so in future. And I did like your presentation, and well done. Thanks.